What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I get heatless curls on my super bogus straight hair. So as you can see, I'm starting off with really lifeless, really jacked up straight hair. I've had my hair straight for about 2.5 weeks, so yeah, let's go ahead and jump right in. So I'm going to take my rat tail comb and I'm going to part my hair off on the right side. I usually like a right part better. Then I'm going to take my big wide tooth comb and comb out all of my hair so that way I won't have any tangles. After I finish combing out my hair, I'm going to take my rat tail comb and then begin parting off the front section of my hair. So I'm going to start off with the right side because that's the smallest section that I have. And then after I part it, I'm going to take my crocodile clips and then just clip my hair away.
Wild fire can handle your flame, download your shame. Wild high can drown in your fragrance. You that red pill that a nigga found in the matrix. Before I had you, this shit was fantasy. You plant a seed, it grows some roots, a branch and leaves, becomes a tree of life.
And for the back of my hair, I'm just gonna split that in half and then begin working on each section from there.
Cause you entrusted me with the key to your heart, beating you smart. Cause even though I need a new start, due to my past transgressions, you believed in me. I guess the light I see in you is what you see in me. Girl, you on my best side, and she see my best side.
So for the first section of my hair, I'm just gonna go ahead and split that into two and then work on the bottom half of my hair first. And I'm just gonna clip the top half away. So to get my heatless curls, I just basically do a bantu knot on my straight hair. Starting at the root, I'm going to twist my hair all the way around itself. And then when I get about 2/3 of the way there, I'm going to begin twisting the hair around itself into a small knot. And then just wrapping it around my finger and wrapping it around the knot until it's completely finished. Then I'm going to take my small goodie headbands and secure the knot in place so it won't move while I'm sleeping. And now that I'm done with the first section, I'm just going to go ahead and explain it one more time so that way you guys can get it. So I'm going to take that section, run my hands through it a little bit, and then starting at the root, I'm just going to twist my hair and keep twisting it till I can get about 2/3 of the way down the section, and then begin wrapping the hair around into a knot, and then just keep wrapping it around my finger so that way the hair can stay wrapped and twisted. And then when I'm done completely with my knot, I'm going to take my small headband, secure it around the knot so that way it can stay in place, and that's it. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through the rest of this video so that way you guys can see how I finish the rest of my hair. And yeah, I'll see y'all when I'm finished.
You wanted more, we open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up like a scissor, love galore. She never bored, there's so much shit we can do. You free to say whatever, baby, if you asking me. No limit when I'm in it, got a masterpiece. I'm hoping I don't have a fast release. Got me focused like I'm out here trying to get my master seat. Girl, you on my best side. That she from the west side. Girl, you on my best side. That she from the west side. I just wanna know what the sugar coat. Say it all if you want. Could you tell me like it is? Pretty little bitch, music to my ears.
Wild fire can handle your flame, download your shame. Wild high can drown in your fragrance.
So I'm all finished bantu knotting my hair up, and then in the next clip I'm going to already have my edges tied up because I have an edge tutorial coming for you guys soon. So I'm going to take my satin line cap. I got this from the Evolve First Line brand. I got mine from Walmart for like $10. I'm going to just go ahead and take it and then go ahead and put it over my curls or my bantu knots so that way my hair can be protected tonight while I go to bed. And then I'm just going to make sure it's adjusted properly so I won't hurt my head while I'm sleeping. So yeah, now that that's on my head, I'm about to get ready and go to sleep. I'll see y'all tomorrow. So it's the next morning and I'm about to get ready to take down my hair. So I know y'all gonna notice that I have a different scarf on to tie my edges up. That's because I went to the gym this morning and my other scarf was super wet and super sweaty. So I just decided to put on a dry scarf so that way my edges won't be all jacked up when I take it off.
How could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears.
So to take down the bantu knot, I'm just gonna unravel it and then pull off the hairband. And that's about it.
Girl, you on my best side. That she from the west side. I just wanna know. Want your sugar coat? I'll say it all if you want. How could you tell me like it is? Pretty little fears. Use it to my ears.
So once I'm done unraveling all of the bantu knots, I'm just gonna run my fingers through my strands, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fluff my hair at my scalp so that way I can get more volume.
Okay, say it loud, say it proud. You want it more? We open door, hit the couch, then the floor. I cut it up.
And that completes this tutorial, and I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys try this on your hair. Go ahead and tag me on Instagram. I have all the information down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.